lot higher in the recent past. You haven't been holding it for a year, so you're going to be subject to short-term capital gains on that. Now, I would love it if Trump would come out and say, no capital gains on crypto. I don't know that that's going to be a viable deal from an investment perspective. They may put stipulations around that and state that if you're using it for business transactions, banks and institutions settling through it, and when you buy into it and sell out of it, there's going to be small discrepancies, a thousandth of a penny here, a thousandth of a penny there, but at scale, that's a lot that they've got to keep up with, right? So it makes sense to me that they would just do away with it, because that's going to cause them a lot less strife and headache to be able to manage their taxes on the back end of it. But again, I don't know that that's going to be applicable for people that have bought it for an investment thesis versus a utility-driven application. So I'm hopeful, just like everybody else is, but I don't know. So we got to live in the world that we live in today and operate as the rules are written. The rules of the road today are, these are taxable, they're capital assets, they're taxed with long-term and short-term capital gains. And so, again, if you want to do a little tax loss harvesting and you knew you had enough, capital losses to offset the capital gains whenever you take the profit, you can take that profit without having to worry about it. If you're going to take less than, I think it's like 20,000 in capital gains or profit, you should be fine. You won't owe any taxes on that. When you get above that, and it's going to factor in your income too, what tax bracket you're going to have, even on the long-term capital gain side, whether it's 15 or 20% here in the US. Other jurisdictions, if you're in Dubai,